Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome out here in this snow, y'all. Brought a new plane out here. Got the A380 Airliner from AliExpress. Got it for the maiden flight out here, y'all. Snow kind of slowed down, so I figured this is the best chance for the best visibility out here in the snow with it. So let's try to get this little plane in the air. I think I'm gonna take off with this thing a hand toss. I think I'm gonna give this plane a hand toss and try to fly it, and then I'm gonna try to come down and land right here, hopefully, if it has that much control on it. I don't know. Thinking about letting it attempt a takeoff from the ground from here, but kind of nervous. I don't know how fast this thing will take off. Let's see. I'm thinking it might have enough clearance. Maybe we'll try that if we successfully fly this thing and then land it. It is a 3-channel plane, so let me sit it down there. Okay, so yeah, I'm not sure that it'll okay, we're gonna go straight to high rates though. I'm not sure that this thing will take off from right here. I don't think it'll have enough room. So I'm gonna try to fly it this way. Let's see. I think I might have the gyro off, y'all. Not bad though. Not bad at all. Wow, this thing flies nice, y'all. Whoa! I think I might have to switch this thing back to low rudder. I keep forgetting that I have differential thrust on this thing. And the range is great on it. I'm just circling it. Let me see, I don't want to take it too far back there. Let me see if I can turn it around and get it to come down and land here. It glides nice, y'all. Ah. Almost a nice landing. I'm really impressed by the way this thing flies, y'all. Really nice flyer. Seems awesome for a 3-channel. I like how hard it turns. It's able to bank and turn and everything. Got the lights in there inside. These are like little tiny whoop motors, y'all. But all 4 of them do work though. I'm liking the way it flies. I think I'm gonna try to do a ground takeoff from here. This thing is really light too, so maybe we might be able to take off. Let's see if it'll take off. Nope, I don't think it's going to pick up enough speed. It has a 550 milliamp hour battery in here. I had a smaller 500 milliamp hour battery, but it was a lot smaller, so I was afraid to take off with it like that. For the maiden flight, I wanted to use the stock battery. Let's see if we can take off again though. Thanks for watching, y'all. And this might be the best 3-channel I've ever flown, y'all. Thing flies awesome. And this is on a small rudder. I think this thing banks hard enough to turn around right here, y'all. Yep. Oh, this is an awesome flight. Let's see if we can get a nicer landing than we had. We hit something right there. I think that would have been a nice landing if it didn't hit this little piece of slush right there and do a spin out. But I think I'm gonna take this thing in. Pretty awesome little flyer, y'all. I like this little plane, the A380 Airliner. Another good find from AliExpress. Thanks for watching.